Which animal best describes a show off? I repeat, question number 3. Which animal best describes a show off? A. Lion. B. Peacock. C. Elephant. D. Gorilla. And the answer is B. Peacock. Wow.
Let me first start the way. I'll come and beat. How many questions? Man,
we have 10 questions here.
Okay. 8 to the
3, don't go.
Alright, let's go. Question number 4, guys. Which animal best describes someone who prefers to be alone? A. Wolf. B. Dolphin. C. Meerkat. D. Ant. And the answer is... Have you picked the option? Please pick option and let me give you an answer. And the answer is... Option A. You did your first choice. Why do you leave it?
Hey!
Where if they get back now? I know some of the number, but they did get back. Now I just to pack.
Wolf have pack, but